Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate ESPN Plus step by step clearly. To activate ESPN Plus, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official ESPN website at www.espn.com. Look for the ESPN Plus tab located in the navigation menu. Click on the ESPN Plus tab to access the ESPN Plus section. You will see an option to sign up or start free trial. Click on the Sign Up button to create your account. If you already have an ESPN account, you can log in using your credentials. If you're creating a new account, enter your email address and create a secure password. After entering your details, click Continue. Next, you will need to select a subscription plan that suits your needs. Review the available options, then choose the plan you prefer. Once you have selected your plan, click on Continue. You will be prompted to enter your billing information. Fill out the required fields, including your name, address, and payment details. Double-check your information for accuracy before proceeding. After ensuring everything is correct, click on Submit to finalize your subscription. Your ESPN Plus account should now be active. To start using ESPN Plus, log in with your email and password. Once logged in, you can browse available content. Enjoy streaming your favorite sports and shows on ESPN Plus. That concludes the activation process for ESPN Plus. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.